Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Honda VLX Deluxe. This is a 600cc V-twin, liquid-cooled, nice lightweight, but plenty of power for the freeway. Low seat height. This one has a gorgeous custom light blue paint with some very faint ghost-like flame style. Awesome sounding exhaust. Big fat rear tire. This is a great looking bike. Easy to ride. Make your cruiser dreams come true. Come by, check it out. Only $33.99. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. This bike is really cool. Got a unique paint style. We're going to fire it up so you can see how great she sounds. 600cc V-twin. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.